Chris Jones from Sunbelt Business Advisors and True North M&A here with the second video of our 24 rules for a successful business exit. In our last video, we covered why it's important to start the planning process early when it comes to your exit strategy. In this video, we'll cover simple ways you can determine the key value drivers of your company that buyers will look at most. So you've narrowed down your potential options for an exit. Now you want to begin with an honest assessment of where your business stands currently. This is the same valuation exercise we do when advising business owners, but you can do this on your own to get an idea of how your company scores with what buyers are looking for. This process will require a dose of humility, and like author Rick Warren says, humility is not denying your strengths, humility is being honest about your weaknesses. You want to be as objective as possible. So if you have a business partner or spouse who's highly involved in the business, have them take the assessment as well and compare notes. You'll rate each of these on a scale from -2 to +2, with a +2 being a considerable strength and value driver, while a -2 shows a considerable weakness and value detractor. 0 is the middle ground. There are 10 value drivers. We'll cover the first 5 here and the rest in part 2. The first value driver is earnings. Are they increasing, flat, or decreasing on a year-to-year basis? Increasing earnings is a positive value driver, of course. Our second value driver is barriers to entry. Does your business have significant regulatory or capital requirements? Or are there no significant barriers to entry? High barriers to entry are a considerable strength and value driver. Third is industry strength. What is the general outlook of your industry or the industries you serve? Is it in decline or is it growing? Would you describe the industry attitude as more bullish or bearish? Fourth is company history. Businesses with less than a 5-year track record score on the low side, while 20+ years of history is a big advantage. The fifth driver of your business's value is customer concentration. Having a diverse customer base, of course, where not one customer represents more than 5% of sales is a high score. If you rely on a handful of customers for a majority of sales, you'll score on the negative end. It's okay if you have some areas that rank higher than others. That's very common. Just because you score low in a category doesn't mean you can't improve it. These value drivers help increase buyer interest in your business, increase your earnings multiple, which is a topic that we'll cover in a future video, and ultimately help you maximize your exit value. Make sure to catch my next video covering the remaining 5 key value drivers. And if you'd like to learn more about our value driver assessment or exit strategy, you can check out more of our videos here or give us a call anytime. See you in the next video.